Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can download and play Crystal of Atlan for free on your PC or laptop. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to download and play Crystal of Atlan for free on your PC or laptop, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to go to your Google Chrome or any web browser on your device. And once you're on your web browser, next, you will need to go to the official website of Crystal of Atlan, since that's where we will download the game, so just search this on your search bar. Make sure to enter this correctly so you will be directed to the website. And after searching, you will now be on the website. So to download the game on this website, it's so simple, since if you will take a look, you will now be able to see the download button for the PC version of the game right here. Just go and click it. And after clicking it, your Crystal of Atlan game launcher will now be downloaded, so you can now click the file to start installing the game. And then you will now begin the installation setup. So right here, you just need to make sure that you have checked this agreement box, and then you can click the install button after that. And after that, the game launcher will show you the location where the game's installation files will be saved. If you want to change it, just click this and then set it to the folder where you want to save it. But if you're already fine with the location, just click install. And after clicking it, there you go guys. The game will now start installing. This might take some time depending on your internet speed, but just wait for it to finish and then you will be able to play the game. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.